People, so I am here in science class and I wanted to go over with you how to do your assignments each week. So if you're in science, you're going to want to click on your classwork tab. On your iPads, it is down towards the bottom, but for my screen, it's up here. And then you'll see, if you click on classwork, your list of classwork for everything that's been posted. The first week of distance learning for science class, we did one post a day. And from the feedback I got from students and families, I changed that for the second week of distance learning to put it in one post. And then, so for example, this week was posted on Monday. It won't be due until next Monday. So for the third week of distance learning, it'll be posted on Tuesday, and then it won't be due till the following Tuesday. So with that said, if I'm looking here for the week of April 6th to 9th, you can see that I wrote a little message for you here. I'm not going to read it for you now, but I'll let you read through that. And this is what I want to walk you through. So this is what you're going to need to click on, and this is how you get to your assignments for the week. So if you open that up, you should be looking at a sheet that says 6th grade science distance learning. And in this sheet, you'll see that you have a class activity on one side and then an optional activity on another side. So this is the must do side and this is the can do side. So on the must do side for Monday, I did record a Backyard Almanac. That's something we read in class each day. And I was still thinking that people might want to hear those entries. So I did record those. If you just click this link, it'll open you right to a YouTube video where you can hear the entry from Backyard Almanac for the day. So your class activity or must do, it'll say complete the check on thermal energy here. You can use your blue learning target sheet or the white thermal energy note sheet. So your activity will always be listed here with some directions. And if you click here and open that up, it will take you to the form then that you fill out for this assignment. Okay. And once you're done, of course, you need to hit submit on that. You don't turn this in Google Classroom though until each assignment for each day of the week is complete. Okay, so once I was done with that, I have another little note here that says remember to study the thermal energy and vocab. Here's your Quizlet. Okay, so just like we did in class, you can click on this link and it'll pop you right to, oh, Quizlet's down. Of course it is. So they'll be up and running as soon as they can, but that's where it'll take you is to Quizlets. We'll close those things and come back to here. So then I would just follow this same format for Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday. And of course, we don't have school this Friday, so there's nothing for Friday there except I did put the Backyard Almanac link on there. So for Tuesday, watch the video on reading temperatures and complete this task. So there's two things to do. Okay, for Wednesday, there's an ed puzzle about conduction, convection, and radiation. I should add in here, please use your notes. Okay, you might have some notes from Blue Learning Target sheets or some notes from the videos from last week to help you with that as well. On April 9th, Thursday, today is the vocabulary quiz day and I wanted to try something different with that. So there's two options here. You can read through those and pick the option that you like. Basically, it's pick 6 thermal energy vocab words and show me how you know what they mean by giving an example of each word that you choose and how that term relates to thermal energy. When you're done with that, you can either screenshot it, you can take a picture of it. If it is a Google document, you can turn that in with the assignment post for this week. So if I'm on Google Classroom and I'm turning this in, it'll look a little bit different there will be a little button where you can add an attachment. You'll want to do that to turn in that vocabulary assignment activity. If you have any questions or you need any help with anything or any of what I just went over doesn't make sense, please let me know and I will do my best to help you.